Hi YouTube, it's JT. We're out at the range at Jay's Guns and Accessories in Panama City. Today we're going to continue to put the Taurus TX22 through its paces. I tested some bulk box ammunition last time. Today I am going to be testing mini mag, Stinger, and some standard velocity, and we're going to see how that goes. So I'm excited to do that, and we are going to go ahead and push this right there might be nice. And the first mag that we are going to dump is going to be the mini mag. One of my favorite ones to use. A little pricey, but it's okay. Okay. Today we're going to be testing for accuracy and grouping. After each of these shots, I think we're going to go and how we did. Okay. Not bad. I have to say that the range, unfortunately, the hanger isn't hanging my targets exactly right, so it's okay. Let's test for grouping. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and mark that in green. Okay, that's not coming up. Let's go ahead and get another marker out. Okay, mini mag's gonna be in orange. Orange it is. So. Upset about that. Let's go ahead and do yeah. Okay. Now we're going to be testing Stinger. Excuse me, I'm vertically challenged. I need the stool. That is Stinger, and looking forward to shooting this one. This one's really one of my favorites to shoot, and they say it's a really popular carry load for 22. If you do choose to carry 22, I always say carry the biggest caliber you can, and make sure you can shoot it. And with the most comfortable gun you can carry, it works for you. Nothing wrong with that. So. Tell the Stinger it's a really powerful round. Okay, and I'll manage to do this in gray. Great grouping. Put that right there. I'll show you all in a minute. Okay. Now I am really interested to see how this works. Can't say I've ever used it before. So we're talking about some standard velocity stuff, standard CCI. See how it does. I'm gonna let you watch me test out the speed loader. That's standard velocity stuff right there. And I'm gonna put it in one of the mags. We're gonna load it up. It's the speed loader. See how speedy that really is. I like the speed loader. It works very well. It does have a guide too, so you can load your bullets in easier. Really handy for 22. We're gonna load it. I just have to say, fun gun to shoot. I have put it in a friend of mine's hands, and she loved it. Said it was flat sheeting. I'd have to agree. No recoil, of course. You're going with a 22. These, unlike the other two, are not hollow point, and they're not high velocity. They're round nose. And they say it averages 1070 FPS. Stinger averages 1640 FPS. And Magnet averages 1260 FPS. So this will be on the lower end of the 22 LR spectrum CCI. I have not run quiet through it. I do not have a suppressor, though this does make a suppressor host. It has a threaded adapter barrel cover, so collar. That's what they're calling it anyway. Goes up in. Okay, let's see how this standard stuff shoots and if it cycles. Which I see any reason why it would not. Back fine. Get on in. Okay. Let me just go ahead and mark that first. Okay. Purple one. Yeah, that is. Okay, so let's see how we did. Okay, now let me just point out a few things for you. I did label it myself. It's kind of hard to see on camera. I can't totally blame the mini mag for this because the target was off. It was a clothespin, but I adjusted it a little bit, and the mini mag did do really well. The mini mag's like right about there. If you can see that red. This is some stinger right over here. This is your standard velocity, and I think some stinger mixed in right there. And that's a standard, that's a standard. So all in all, I can't argue with that grouping right there. That's mini mag over there. This is some stinger right over there too. This is a stinger on that 8 right there. So overall, I would say pretty accurate, and I did not have, through 3 mags of this different high velocity stuff, I did not have one issue. So that's really encouraging. I would encourage, if anyone is carrying 22 due to some medical reason or some sensitivity to recoil, I would definitely recommend these. These are all great. They're hollow point, so those would be the ones I would go with. This standard velocity isn't. So CCI makes some of the best stuff for 22 LR. Well, thanks everyone. I'll talk to you later.